How to fix Valorant Connection Error Code 54. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, launch your Riot clients and then get logged into your account. Hover onto your account, then click onto it, go for settings. Here choose Valorant as the second option, then click repair. Click on start repair. Now, once this is unprocessed, let's move on to our next step. At the below search page, type in View Network Connection. Click Open. Under here, locate your Wi-Fi. Right-click onto it, click on Disable. Again, right-click onto it, click Enable. Here again, at the search bar, type in Device Manager. Open it. Go for Network Adapters. Double-click onto it. Locate your driver. Right-click onto it, then click on Update Driver. Once you do all that, restart your device, and that shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.